What leading us forward in the vast wave of global energy is the pursuit of a greener future, the exploration of energy storage technology, and our shared vision for a sustainable, thriving world. Since its founding, ZWAYN New Energy has been committed to pioneering safe, reliable, and intelligent energy storage solutions. For 14 years, we have relentlessly pursued excellence, pushing the boundaries of energy technology, renowned worldwide for excellence in quality and service. We have built a global reputation as a trusted industry leader. With extensive experience in international energy storage solutions and a professional team of highly skilled experts, we independently research, design, and manufacture energy storage products, strictly controlling every aspect to ensure the safety of our products. Reliability is our commitment. Equipped with a smart factory and utilizing an advanced MES, we ensure real-time production monitoring, quality control, and efficiency optimization. We are committed to becoming a trustworthy energy partner for our customers. Intelligence is our strength. We independently developed BMS solutions, seamlessly integrating them with AI-driven management systems to enable real-time, precision monitoring of battery cell operations. Empowered by AIoT technology, our solutions achieve breakthrough performance enhancements. Complementing this innovation, our smart exhibition hall offers immersive demonstrations of intelligent product operation and maintenance, leading the intelligent transformation of the energy storage industry. Innovation is our driving force. As a national high-tech enterprise, we are moving towards green energy, creating a highly innovative and forward-looking product system, and providing professional, localized service chains to offer our customers one-stop solution services before, during, and after sales. We promise a rapid response within 2 hours, a solution development within 12 hours, and on-site arrival within 24 hours. In the residential sector, we provide stable, user-friendly, and energy-efficient home power products for daily household use, independent power supply in remote areas, and emergency backup scenarios, ensuring safe and secure electricity usage for families. For the complex and large-scale electricity consumption environments in industrial and commercial sectors, we customize optimal integrated energy storage solutions for customers through advanced energy storage technology and intelligent management systems. With advantages in high-efficiency conversion, strong load adaptability, and intelligent control, we precisely tailor our solutions to high electricity demand scenarios, such as factory workshops and commercial complexes, helping enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency. We answer with a global perspective. Headquartered in China, our Dongguan factory serves as the core of innovation and manufacturing. Our service center network spans the globe, and we have established overseas warehouses in Europe, Africa, the Americas, and other regions to ensure rapid response to the diverse needs of our customers. For residential energy storage, we have completed the installation of 850,000 units, providing safe and stable energy services to tens of thousands of households. For commercial and industrial energy storage, we have completed services for 550 sites. For large-scale industrial and mining operations, we have completed services for 55 sites. New energy, new hope, new journey. ZWAYN New Energy is charging ahead to lead the global green energy revolution.